Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have a 7-bedroom, 3-bathroom house for sale. The house is located on Racecourse Avenue in Clarendon. This 2-story house is approximately 4,500 square feet, and its large lot is almost half an acre. The ground floor comprises of large living, dining and kitchen, laundry with 3 bedrooms and bathroom. The upper floor has an ensuite master bedroom, plus 3 additional bedrooms and a bathroom, with open areas for sitting out, decoramastic roof, fully grilled, enclosed carport, fenced and gated, fruit trees, drying yard, and lots of space to improve for your own comfort. Easily 1 hour from Kingston via the toll. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $162.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.